Number 1. Zushan New Type 20 Pieces Flex Head Ratchet Wrench Set. Flex Head Ratcheting Combination Wrench adopting precise 72-tooth ratchet gears, socket sets feature quick release, smoothly pivoting through 180 degrees, the heads hold any angle to slide onto fasteners, which is easier and more labor-saving than other wrenches. The flexible head allows you to leverage and bypass obstacles at any desired angle, ideal for tight space designs. Extra precise ratcheting wrench is faster to use in tight spaces than a standard wrench, because it allows you to have continuous engaged with the bolt while you tighten it. Number 2. Rockler Universal Drawer Slide Jig. Install drawer slides quickly, accurately, and more easily than ever before with the innovative Rockler Slide Drawer Jig. The Rockler Universal Jigs for Cabinets features a sliding wedge, adjustable indexing foot, and a large clamping area. The Rockler Cabinet Hardware Guide is the ultimate aid for installing drawer slides of almost any type, including ball bearing or epoxy-coated side mount slides, and even center mount slides. The cabinet jig features a locking wedge that holds the slide securely with no risk of slippage. Press this drawer jig against the face of your cabinet, and your slide is positioned perfectly level with the proper setback. Draw slide jig can be clamped in place if desired, and also features an adjustable rod that references off of the face frame rails or cabinet bottom for fast, repeatable height settings. The jig drawer slide foot can be rotated for use on top or bottom. Plus, the cutouts in these jig woodworking tools allow easy access for drill and driver bits.
Number 3. Aries 2-in-1 Impact Bit and Socket Adapter Set. This 4-piece 2-in-1 impact bit and socket adapter set is a versatile accessory set that allows you to use both your bits and sockets on the job without having to manage multiple tools and small parts. With a 1/4-inch hex shank, these 3-inch and 8-inch adapters connect to standard couplers and drill chucks to make any job easier. These adapters meet and exceed ANSI and ASME standards. Number 4. AutoTool Home 2-pieces Quick Change Bit Holder. This quick change adapter with strong magnetic, gold color, a 1/4-inch hex shank, 2 3/8-inch length, package include 2 pieces. Easy to eject the batch head automatically to ensure release in a short time. It can hold bits securely in place, ensuring that your bits stay in place and do not wobble while in use. An installation of pneumatic screwdriver, electric screwdriver, pneumatic drill, electric drill, impact drill, manual screwdriver, and other installation for the hexagonal tool. A must-have package for conversion. Great for DIY work, household maintenance, and most general repairs. A 1/4-inch quick change hex shanks fit all power drills, impact drivers, and handheld drivers, allowing you to bring your bit extensions 2 3/8-inch. Number 5. Goldblatt Folding Drywall Saw. Total length 11 3/4 inch, 299 millimeters. Handle length 6 3/4 inch, 172 millimeters. Saw blade length 5 inch, 127 millimeters. Precision triple ground teeth allows for smooth, faster, and effortless cutting. 8 TPI bimetal blade cuts in both directions, push and pull. Extra secured blade to handle assembly for safety. Deep gullets between saw teeth keeps blade free of material. The jab saw features with a sharpened tip that punches through drywall or other similar materials with ease. Anti-slip super grip handle resists slipping, adding comfort. The proper size design fit most hand size and helped lessen fatigue when cutting, allows for superior cutting angle. Number 6. My Keyed Strong Rare Earth Magnets Bars. In this set there are 12 adhesive double-side sticker and powerful rare earth bar magnets. You can not only use these magnets on metallic items, also on non-metallic items. This set of rare earth magnet features competitively and cost the most effective price is you're the best choice. Number 7. Engineer Screw Removal Pliers. Quickly extract damaged screws, specialized screws, even tamper-proof screws. Screw head size dia 3 to 9.5 millimeters. Specially shaped and uniquely serrated gripping jaws. Unlike other pliers, these screw pliers won't slip. Equipped with powerful side cutting jaws. With coiled spring loaded for easy handling. Number 8. Hide Contour Scraper with 6 changeable blades. This professional-grade stainless steel scraper removes paint, varnish, putty, caulk, or rust from virtually any surface. 6 changeable blades fit into corners, curves, and small channels and can be sharpened for repeat use.
Number 9. Stanley Rotator Ratchet 3/8" drive. The Stanley Rotator Ratchet 3/8" is a great tool that features unique twist handle technology for a 0-degree twist arc swing and better accessibility in tight spaces. The ratcheting wrench has a quick release mechanism and a reversible mechanism, and the bi-material ergonomic handle design offers better grip and comfort. Provides constant drive action with the twist action handle. Twist action speeds fastening and loosening. Thumb-operated reverse switch and quick release button. Works in tight spaces, requires less than 1-degree arc swing in twist action mode. 3 out of 8" drive, pair red ratchet design. Meets or exceeds ANSI standards. Number 10. Bosch Click Change a 1/4" self-centering drill bit assortment. Bosch self-centering hinge drill bits are designed to accurately center and drill holes in wood. The spring-loaded self-centering design means less walking and guides the bit for straight and consistent holes. Ideal for cabinet and door hinges and other precision woodworking applications.